Releasing June 30th via Nike.com, the Jordan Fade Away Luxe 6-way golf bag Raptors fuses heritage style with golf-ready function. Inspired by the AJ7 Raptors, it features a sleek black base with bright crimson zippers, Jumpman logos, and stand legs, while purple accents add a nostalgic touch. The bold colorway nods to Jordan's legacy and translates effortlessly into lifestyle and performance use. Designed for practicality, the bag includes a 6-way top divider, multiple zippered compartments, and padded shoulder straps for all-day comfort. A molded base and durable stand system provide reliable stability, while contrast stitching and premium hardware elevate its look. Whether you're hitting the course or building a Jordan collection, this bag delivers standout style and utility. A perfect blend of form and function, the Raptors edition makes a statement rooted in Michael Jordan's lasting impact on sport and culture.